Yan. First time yun. Okay. Okay lang po ba kung introduce ko yung sarili ko? Just a brief introduction. Okay, I am Vilma Vasquez. Sa akin po nagkatuluyan si Romeo Vasquez at Vilma Vasquez. Santos, sorry. Kaya naging Vilma Vasquez ako. Pero anak ko ng tatay nanay ko. Okay. I've been an OFW for 24 years. Kami po yung mga tinatawag na combo. Alam mo po yung combo? Combo mamong tanghali. Because I work at night. By profession, I am a singer. Daw. Yeah, daw. Sample? RW, magkano? Anyway, after the 24 years na nag-OFW ako, I went back to Philippines. So, I started to find a legacy of my own. So I went to insurance company. License po ako. Nakapasa. Ibig sabihin. It's not easy because you have to undergo for the training as well. Pero hindi ko po nahanap yung aking hinahanap doon. Ha? By the way, single pa po ako ha. Wala akong anak. Joke lang. Anyway, as I continue, and then nakilala ko po ang Riway through my sister. Our coaches, Vivian Tribunsay and coaches Rad Tribunsay. Palakpakan po natin siya. Let's acknowledge all the star achievers as well in the house. Si Ma'am Jack, si Ma'am Rosette. Thank you so much for the short but very precise introduction. Yan. Diba? Sabi nga nila, maliit pero ang impact naman ay todo-todo. Okay, for a start, ang tanong, gaano ka-importante ang health natin? The reason why we are here, it's because of our health. Tama po?
Yes.
Gaano po ka-importante? Who among you are really that focused in our health? Who undergo for monthly check-up? May meron ba? May monthly check-up ba tayo? Ay, si Ma'am, congratulations, Ma'am! You won! Ayan. And then, yearly. May yearly ba tayo? 6 months. Si Ma'am Bates. Meron na. Yung ating mga first-timer. Gaano po ka-importante ang ating health? Because we're talking about our health, so we must focus on it. As I continue, a short introduction as well with the company. Riway, from the word itself, Riway, doing the right way or showing the right way. For 16 years, only one product. And then, for 13 countries and 54 branches. Ladies and gentlemen, that's how strong is the Riway for 30%. As I continue, the Riway itself has given us the privilege for us to learn more about the product itself and the privilege that we could get from it. It's not only the product but the learning the platform as well. As you can see, next, out of the 54% of the people died from these diseases. This is called the top 10 killer disease. So, let's all focus on number 6, which is diabetes. Bakit po diabetes? Karamihan ano? We all Filipino like to eat rice. Only rice. Chocolates. Pagkatapos kumain ng kanin, maghihimagas pa tayo ng biko. Minsan friends as well from OFW relatives. So pag abroad, ang unang hinihingi natin ay
Chocolate.
bingo. Kaya, alam niyo po ba itong diabetes? 2015, that was on number 8. Ngayon po, nag-upgrade na siya sa 6. Huwag po natin antayin na pumunta siya sa 1. That's why we are very concerned about the health. We want you to more focus on it. Okay, what are the reasons behind why we are having all diseases? One is aging population. We all know we age up, right? And then the second one is the wrong diet. We also love to eat fast food. Tama?
Yes.
Yan. Si Jollibee. Si McDo. Ali-ali. Yan. And then the third one sabi nila, ang stress daw nakakamatay. Ang stress daw nakaka-cancer. Actually, each one of us, we have our cancer cell, but it will be activated as soon as our body deteriorated. And ayan po ang dahilan sa stress. And lastly is the pollution. Pollution is not just nominated as the air pollution. Kasi ang tubig din natin polluted. I remember way back nung bata pa ako, we used to drink in a faucet. Hindi na natin kailangan bumili ng mineral water. But now you have to purchase it, right?
Yes.
And then of course the noise. The noise itself, it's considered as pollution as well. Kasi pag maingay, polluted din ang utak natin. Tama?
Yes.
So, until such time, our medical science reaches the bottleneck crisis. But, good news, because of the discovery of stem cell, with its most basic form of all living things, ano po ba to? Si mother ovum and saka si father sperm, nag-meet sila, and then form into mother cell, the first master cell. And then, it duplicated blastocyst and form and develop a 300 different kind of cell. Our hair, our heart, our blood. So, after 9 months, magiging baby. So, meaning, we are all made of stem cells. Okay. With unlimited possibilities and treatment boundaries, miraculously, abilities. These are all published by the reputable magazines such as
Next page.
such as the Time Magazine, Straight Times. Ang lahat po mga magazine na to, all that's bad that's regarding the stem cell, hindi po to sinabi ng Reway. This is our all studied and researched before they publish it. Alam niyo po how great and how good is the reputation of this Straight Times. Tama? Everybody know Straight Time Magazine?
Yes.
They're very famous. So, if yung kumpanya yun o yung journal na yun o yung magazine na yun, they wouldn't simply publish a something that they didn't simply research on it. Tama? Kayo po ba ay bigla na lang magsasabi ng kung ano-ano without knowing if it's true? Tested? Tama po ba? So, this magazine, they really put it in words. Stem cells autisms. Ako, isa yun sa mga frustration ko. Kasi before I joined Reway, I was with my friend building this foundation with autism. But unfortunately, we didn't undergo with that because ang dami pong this and that, added attraction nila. And of course, with this stem cell, there is hope. Nagkaroon po ng hope yung mga taong in boundaries na of illness. With the unstoppable medical science trend, the greatest revolution of medicine emerged. This is the stem cell. And what are the benefits we can get? Or how can we able to get the benefits? The one is the placenta injection, which is been done in Switzerland, US, Germany. Before we go to that part, it's expensive. Meron po ba ditong kaya? Tapatan si Enrique. Ayan, kaya. Kaya? So, kaya? Next. Joke lang. And then, kaya mahal po siya and very time-consuming kasi you have to go to Switzerland and before you proceed for this surgery, marami pa po siyang test. Okay? And then the second one is a stem cell transplant. Stem cell transplant, para po siyang, if you got good eye, your right eye, good, tapos yung left mo naman is bad, they're going to extract from the good one and i-inject nila doon sa bad mo. But without anesthesia. Bakit walang anesthesia? Kasi po mamamatay po yung live cell. Ayan. Kailangan live po yung i-inject. Mahal at saka painful. The third one is the cord blood banking. This is, the mother has the privilege to store yung kanyang cord as she gave birth for 20 years. But, ang tanong, ang sakit po ba natin lumalabas during younger age? No. Usually, around what age? Kuya, may idea ka? Gusto ko si Kuya. Nakikinig naman si Kuya. Around 30s and up, tama po ba? So, dahil siya is only for 20 years, so after that, tapo na. And expensive. Mahal din po magpa-store ng stem cell. It's not cheap. And then the fourth one, of course, ito yung mura sa salon. Also the same as placenta injection, but the thing is, this is mura, mapapamura ka din. Ito yun. Kasi instead na gumanda ka, baka nagkabako-bako lang yung mukha mo. And more thing is, hindi mo alam kung anong klaseng stem cell yung ini-inject sa'yo. Right? And then of course, sino gusto ng libre? Yan. Free! Libre! Kuya, libreng mga tumas kayo ng kamay. Dali! Ayan. Ang libre, it's free, but it's very hard to attain. Bakit? Number one, sino dito nakakatulog ng 10 to 8 hours a day? May wala? Sir, congratulations. Yan. Sino nakakainom ng tubig ditong 8 to 10 glasses? Ayan, madami-dami. Diba? Ay, pag-uwi-uwi! Yan, si Mami. Congratulations sa inyo. And then lastly, third one is, sino yung nakakapag-exercise 30 minutes to 1 hour? Wala din. Ay, si Kuya. Ay, thank you, Ma'am. Nahiya si Kuya eh. Thank you. Of course, lastly, sino dito walang stress? Patay, nalaglag na lahat. Walang tumama, walang nag-jackpot. Anyway, it's hard to attain. Totoo po yan. Because we are living in a very stressful world. Tama? As we wake up, kita mo yung asawa mo, nakaka-stress na to. Diba? Totoo po yan. Akin sina. Si Judith, nandiyan na kagad. Stress ka din. So this is very normal. And lastly, the adult stem cell banking. Ito po, pareho din siya ng cord blood banking. Bakit? The same thing, you're going to store it in a bank. But the thing is, yun ay bata, ito ay matanda. Eh, what if? What if? Abusong-abusong na yung katawan mo. Ikaw ay puyat ng puyat, inom dito, party dito. When you got the money and the chance to do the cord banking, hindi naman healthy yung yung stem cell mo. Is it possible? Yes. Bakit? We abuse our body thoroughly nang hindi natin nalalaman. Yun po yung katotohanan. Because we don't do and we cannot attain the healthy lifestyle. Yan po. So, ang tanong, is there any convenient or affordable way? Yes po, there is. Presenting, the oral capsule, modern technology. Okay, the first one is the supercritical extraction. This one is 99% in-extract nila, yung bioactive. From extraction, pupunta po siya sa dry freezing technology that pinipres po nila yung ingredients. 3 to 4 years life po yun, ha? And then after that, the nitrogen fill technology. Ito po, the capsule itself, tatanggalan po nila ng oxygen and then will replace it for nitrogen. In order na hindi mapuntahan ng bacteria. Remember, when you peel an apple, ano po yung nagiging kulay ng apple after a minutes or half an hour? Brown. So that is the clarification of bacteria. Yan. And of course, the intercoated technology. Ito po, yung when we take the capsule, it won't burst in our stomach. Remember, our stomach is very acid. Ang acidity ng stomach natin, it can really melt even yung pako. Kaya po mag-melt ng pako ng acidity natin. But through this, it will simply, when you drink the fourth year, yung simply flow into the small intestine, doon po siya nag-burst. Okay? And then, the emulsification technology, this one, etong technology to, it's like yung SIM card. Di ba dati ang SIM card natin malalaki? Ngayon, micro na. Parang ganyan po siya. Yan. Pinaliit niya, tapos yung lahat ng ingredients na ipasok doon in one capsule. And then the last one is the biosoftgel technology. Ito naman, para yung boosting niya is very effective when we take it. Yeah. So, ang tanong, why deer? Why deer? Okay, the reason why deer, it's because the deer has its 99% biosaf compatible for the human. And the deer was called the divine beast. Bakit po divine beast? Kung meron pong medicinal plant, familiar? Medicinal plant, yes. Kung meron medicinal plant, meron din po tayong medicinal animal, which is the deer. Bakit po? They're very picky eater. Wala po silang gallbladder. When they eat bad grass, they can simply bite their tongue and commit suicide. Parang ganun lang. Saka when yung portion na pinapakain nyo, so, doon saan sila kumakain, everyday doon lang sila babalik. Kasi alam ng deer kung yung nasa yung magandang grass, healthy grass. Okay. Kuya!
Yan na.
And this one, I want to share with you the clinical patented ingredients. These are called patented. Ibig sabihin po niya, only Riway has the license to use all this product. Ibig sabihin, exclusively for Riway only ito. And these are the Cervicenta. This is from the female deer. Yan, the doe, a deer, a female deer. Ito po yan. Okay? And then, the Belvicenta, this is the antler. Yung tip po ng sungay ng male deer. Alam niyo po, when you combine the Cervicenta and the Belvicenta, it can form a small deer. Parang cloning po yan. Ganun po kabilis yung regenerate ng product na yan. Or ng Belvicenta with combination with Cervicenta. And Ensingen. Everybody knows regarding the ginseng. The famous ginseng. The Chinese ginseng. May nakakaalam? Yes. Okay. Very famous to kasi sa China. Mostly, during the wedding, nireregalo talaga siya. Bakit? Kasi it's very good and rare. Good for the men. Yeah, very good for the men. Very rare kasi you have to plant it for at least 6 years bago mo i-harvest. The good thing with our ginseng, it's planted in the volcanic soil of New Zealand for 10 years, which makes it more effective and more powerful than the rest of the ginseng. Kaya, kumbaga, ang value niya is more higher than the ordinary ginseng, which we all know. And then the Axertone, this is like a mushroom. Hindi po siya sungay, ha? Mushroom po yan. Very rare na mushroom po yan. Good din po siya sa cardiovascular. And then the last one is the nucleoclavin, my favorite. Yeah, very expensive po to. According to Ma'am Rosel, ang mother niya nagtatrabaho sa Japanese restaurant. How many pieces, ma'am? 12 pieces? 9. 9 pieces, 12,000 pesos. Kaya? O, di ba? Ang bongga ni ma'am nakakakain ng ganun. Ganun po siya. And mind you, this is very, nucleoclavin, it's like the sniper. Ang purpose niya, kunyari, hinahanap niya sa parte ng katawan natin, yung dapat nang gamutin kagad. Yun po ang purpose ng sniper. Nucleoclavin, parang sniper. Okay. Next. Why do we need supplement? We all know that even na kumakain tayo ng tama, nakakatulog tayo ng tama. But still, we need supplement. Why? Kasi ang body natin, hindi sapat yung kinakain natin, yung input natin eh. That's why we take some vitamins. Of course, bakit? Prevention, recovery, detoxification, protect, repair, and regenerate. But only 40% has the capability to regenerate. Most of the supplement, they don't have this ability. So only 40%. So they did our starter list, one product to fulfill our health supplement. Kumbaga, iisa lang ang iinumin ninyo, nandun na po lahat. Kasi mostly sa atin, ang supplement natin is may supplement tayo sa mata. Tama? Sa liver. Yung mga manginginom dyan, present. Okay, yan. Yung meron tayong supplement sa mata, minsan meron pa tayong supplement sa mga joint natin. Tama? But this one, with 40% pa, iisa lang ang ititake nyo, included na yung lahat-lahat. Kumbaga, para siyang more than centrum, A to Z, complete. Yeah. Next. And these are the 14 formulation integrated. As I said before, the 5 are the patented one, and the rest is per tier 6. These are all also as well included. But I want you to focus on the brown seaweeds. Ito pong brown seaweeds. Yan. Ito. Yan. That is very good for the cancer people from Japan. Alam niyo po, this is very famous in Japan. Kasi the cancer center in Japan, sinasabi nito, once you take it, you are cancer-free. Yan. From the supplement prevention, recovery, detoxification, protect and repair, renew your body, the only way to achieve all-around health supplement needs. Ito po yung lahat na yan. Hindi ko na po iisa-isa niyo yung mga ingredients because as you can see, alam niyo naman yung masalas, yung tomato, Marie collagen, evening primrose, this pulin avocado borage, and aloe vera extract. Okay? Next. Okay, this one is very scary one. Bakit scary one? Am I going too fast? Okay lang ba? Ayan. Okay, etong scary one, bakit? As you can see, the cardiovascular disease as of 2019, ayun na 18 million. Ibig sabihin po niyan, hindi pa rin na-address yung ating mga illness. Kaya tumataas po ng ganyan. Marami pa po. Ibig sabihin, sa population po ng Pilipinas, marami pa pong hindi nakakaalam regarding sa birth. Yan. Yan lang sa akin. The cancer is went to second place, which is before, parang nasa, pang-anin yata o sa third. Pero nag-evolve din siya, tumaas din siya. So meaning, marami din namamatay sa cancer. Ang stress, yan ang isang way para magkaroon ka ng cancer. Yan. Konektado yan sila. Anyway, from this graph, you can see, ito pong these things down here, hindi na po ito kaya ni Portier, ha? Yung drown, yung murder, hindi po kaya ni Portier yan, ha? Those things na parang sasabi natin, yung nasa upper one. Let's focus on the 1, 2, 4. Yan, kahit 1, 2, 3. As you can see. Bakit po parang tumataas na tumataas yung ating rate? Which is not very nice. Kasi po, taong-tao din, tayo din pong tao, we never learn how to take care of our body. Tama? Kasi hindi naman tayo magkakasakit. Whatever we do today, i-harness po natin yan sa future natin as we age up. So, now, I'm leaving you this slide for you to notice and to be more aware regarding your health. Once again, I am Gilo Vasquez. I hope I impart you a lot of things regarding health.